In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save and export a project in Pixlr on PC using the free tier, so you can keep your work safe and choose the right file format for your needs. Whether you want a quick image export or a fully editable project file, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and easy way. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you've finished editing your design inside Pixlr, look at the top menu bar and click on File. From there, choose Save, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and S on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to bring up the saving options. After you do that, Pixlr will show you the available file formats. On the free tier, you'll usually see options like PNG and JPG for exporting your image, and PXZ for saving your project file. If you want a regular image file that you can upload, share, or use right away, PNG or JPG is the best option. Just keep in mind that Pixlr's free plan limits PNG and JPG saves to 3 per day, so if you use those formats often, you'll want to save them carefully. If your goal is to keep your project fully editable for later, choose PXZ instead. PXZ is Pixlr's layered project file, which means your edits, layers, and design elements stay intact. That makes it the best choice if you want to come back later and make changes without starting over. After selecting the format you want, follow the save prompt and choose where you want the file stored on your PC. Then confirm the export or save process, and Pixlr will save your project automatically. If you're exporting for a final finished design, double-check the file type before you continue, so you don't accidentally save the wrong version. A good habit is to save a PXZ version first, so you always have an editable backup, and then export PNG or JPG when you're ready to share the final image. That way, you protect your work and save time if you need to make edits later. And that's how you save and export a project in Pixlr on PC, using the free tier. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can choose between a shareable image file or a layered project file depending on what you need. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Pixlr tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.